The Michael Jackson wrongful death trial, a music industry expert paid to testify for Catherine Jackson took the witness stand today. As Eyewitness News reporter Miriam Hernandez tells us, the testimony centered around AEG creating an alleged conflict of interest in the hiring of Jackson's physician.
According to testimony, the entertainment company AEG promoted thousands of concerts annually, but rarely did it produce the shows staged in its many arenas. Today, an expert in the music industry, David Berman, testified that, in his opinion, AEG's lack of production experience paved the way for a series of negligent decisions. That after AEG signed a deal to produce Michael Jackson's comeback tour, it agreed to contract Dr. Conrad Murray, the physician Jackson requested. Murray's fee, he testified, was out of whack and should have been a red flag. He said the doctor first asked for $5 million, finally agreeing to $150,000 a month. Berman says such a deal was also inappropriate, highly unusual, and set up an inherent conflict of interest. He stated the physician had an obligation to both the person he was treating and to the entity who would be paying him. The lawsuit pits Catherine Jackson against AEG, claiming that it hired Dr. Murray, that it should have conducted background checks on the doctor and supervised Jackson's care. Today, jurors reviewed emails, AEG attorneys discussing Murray's contract with Murray, but not Michael Jackson's managers or attorneys. Berman, who was hired by the Jackson's attorneys to testify, says the emails show that AEG wanted to control the services of Murray. Murray was convicted of involuntary manslaughter after Jackson died from an overdose of the surgical sedative propofol. Berman is a former record executive. The defense questions his qualifications to assess this case. Under cross-examination, Berman told jurors he had never produced a concert tour, never managed a concert tour, never hired a concert tour staff. Miriam Hernandez, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.